What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to my channel. We're doing something with my dad's 2021 F-150 today. Watch it. So, my dad has been driving this 2021 Ford F-150 XLT for about a year and a few months already, and he's been loving it, you know? Not gonna lie, it's actually a good looking truck. And he has done a few stuff like spent money on a bushwhacker fender flare. It looks okay, but with the OEM stock wheels, it just looks a little off. I don't know what's his plan with his wheels and tires. I recommended not spending so much money on wheels and tires because they're expensive. And surprisingly, he let me ruin his truck 2 months after getting it, you know, by tinting his taillight and, you know, adding a few stuff. You can watch it in this video. So on this video, I'm just, you know, planning to put these rain guards on his truck. I mean, I've already done rain guards on this channel. I've done it on my cross truck already. There's nothing special about it, honestly. It's literally just slap them on, that's all. So this is actually a genuine Ford accessory. Thanks for College Ford Lincoln for hooking me up with this bad boy. Great stuff. So yeah, I'll just jump right in and install it. This is an in-channel type of rain guard. That means you install the rain guards between the rubber seal of your windows. Unlike the rain guards that I had on my Subaru Crosstrek, which were stick-ons, in-channel rain guards are a little bit more hands-on. Alright, start putting the truck in accessory mode, roll down your windows, find the right rain guard and check for fitment. Clean the rubber channel with an alcohol wipe. Unfortunately, it didn't come one in the box, so I got my own. Remove the backing of the 3M tape and start feeding the top end part of the rain guard, and then carefully feed the other end by bending it slightly into place. There are two types of window clips. This one is for the front, this one is for the rear. Place one right over here, and the other right over here. This will help the spacing for the window and the rain guard. The rear is fairly straightforward. Same procedures: check fitment, clean, insert, and clips. Now you know how to do one side, you can do the other confidently. It's recommended to let the adhesive cure for 24 to 48 hours in warm weather. Good luck! If you learned anything from this video, the difference between in-channel and stick-on rain guards, window deflectors, or whatever you want to call it, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing because I do a lot of DIYs, vlogs with, you know, most of the cars in my driveway. So I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.